Hello, my name is Risa Fitri. People usually call me Safi, and I am a PhD candidate on Interreligious Studies from the University of Gadjah Mada, Indonesia. I am currently in the early phase of my research with research interest in the Dialogue for Humanity, focusing on the experience of the religious lay movement Focolare. I am writing about how the members of Focolare live their spirituality, especially in the three countries in Southeast Asia, alongside with the other people in their society. This Italian-based religious movement has been existing in Asia for almost 60 years, and I have been a member myself since 2006. My study background was never about religion or theology, but I always encountered dialogue with people from different faiths. And while living my spirituality of Focolare, I learned that a good understanding of either religions can be a solid foundation to live side by side well with other people. Being a member of Focolare for about 15 years now makes me realize the development of Focolare in Asia, especially in Indonesia. And I cannot stop but wonder how Focolare, which was initially rooted in Italy, has been spreading all over the world. I'm writing and researching on how the Focolare spirituality of unity animates the lives of its members, especially in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore. However, the social, economic, and political backgrounds in Europe during the starting period of Focolare in 1940s up until 1960s have already shaped the development of the movement in Europe and also in other parts of the world. The Hungarian revolutions in 1966 and the invitation from Pope Pius XII to bring back the presence of God were the reasons behind the volunteer branch in Focolare. There are also projects for youths to bring unity among all people regardless of their backgrounds. That also includes the participations of Focolare in preaching churches in Italy among Christian denominations in Europe in the ecumenical field. By doing interviews with the members and assessing the internal documents in Focolare Center, I become aware of the dialogue of life which characterizes the movement. Not only focusing on Christian ecumenical dialogue, Focolare members also aims to reach unity beyond faith for the whole humanity through dialogue of life, which covers many aspects in life such as economy, spirituality, nature and physical life, as well as study and communications. This will actually lead to the goal of the movement, which is to direct themselves to achieve Jesus' last prayer, may all be one. Each member of Focolare responds to their calling as the agents of spirituality of unity to foster humanity through dialogue, firstly in the area of Europe and then all over the world. While coming from Europe, the movement can also fit in the Southeast Asian countries by inculturating the narratives of the first Focolare community into their way of life, such as the culture of giving and sharing. These interpretations add up to the discovery that the feminine leaderships of Chiara Lubich, the founder, takes an example from Mother Mary and plays a significant role in encouraging Focolare members to imitate Mary and to dialogue beyond polarizations. Modeling Mary has become the spirit of the movement, which its official name by the Holy See Vatican is the work of Mary. I'm hoping that by joining the workshops, I will be able to get a different point of view from a European perspective to enrich my research. It will give a clearer Focolare positions in the development of religious and also social movements in Europe. Also, its relations to the Asian countries in regard of its historical conditions and cultural authenticity from both sides. These days, we face many problematic challenges in almost every aspect of life. In the future, I wish I may be able to contribute to society by engaging both academically and spirituality on how to foster a more active model of dialogue with people of different faiths, both in Asia and in Europe. Thank you.